Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to track your order on DHgate. First, you need to go to the DHgate website. After going to DHgate website, you have to drag your cursor to your account details. And after that, you have to go to My Orders. Click on My Orders. You will see your order details here. You have to copy the tracking number from here. After copying the tracking number, you have to go to order tracking in the shortcuts. Click on order tracking, paste the tracking number you have copied here. After that, you have to write the code you can see here and click on track. After clicking the track, you can track your order. So I hope this video has helped you. If it has helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.